In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep an IPsec tunnel always up in Fortinet. If you're managing a network, one of the key elements you might need to ensure is the constant availability of your IPsec tunnel. This is crucial for maintaining secure communications across your network. Today, we'll walk through the steps to make sure your IPsec tunnel stays active. First, let's dive into the Fortinet interface. This is where we'll be making all the necessary configurations. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the search icon. This is a handy feature that allows you to quickly navigate through Fortinet's complex interface. Click on that search icon and type in IPsec. This will bring up all the relevant settings and configurations related to IPsec tunnels. Next, from the search results, you'll want to click on the option labeled IPsec tunnels. This is where you can view and manage all your existing tunnels. It's like the control center for your IPsec configurations. Once you're in this section, you'll see a list of all the IPsec tunnels that have been set up. Here, you can configure new tunnels or modify existing ones to ensure they remain up and running. Now, within the IPsec tunnels page, look for the specific tunnel you want to keep active. Click on it to open its settings. This will open up the configuration details where you can modify various parameters. To ensure your tunnel stays up, you'll need to focus on the options related to keep alive settings. These settings send regular signals to check the status of the connection and maintain its active state. Adjust the keep alive or DPD, dead peer detection, settings to ensure they are properly configured to keep the tunnel active. These settings are usually found within the advanced options or under a specific section labeled for keep alive settings. Make sure that the Keep Alive option is enabled and configured to check the connection at regular intervals. This way, if the tunnel goes down for any reason, the system will automatically attempt to bring it back up. Once you've made these adjustments, save your changes. It's important to apply these settings to ensure they take effect. After saving, monitor the tunnel for a bit to confirm that it remains active and stable. If everything is configured correctly, your IPsec tunnel should now stay up consistently, providing uninterrupted, secure communication across your network. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure your IPsec tunnel remains always up in Fortinet, providing a reliable and secure network connection. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other Fortinet tips and tricks.